We're making some slime! Okay guys, so today we're reviewing the Nickelodeon Slime Studio. I'm going to get this box open and see what's inside.
I'm doing it. So cute. Can I take some stuff out?
Yeah.
Glitter slime glue. This is called just glue and this is called
Slime Activator.
Slime Activator. This is called Slime Activator and this is just normal glue the same. So we have gold. That's what I'm going to make for my slime. And this is silver gold. And this is purple glitter. And I have different colours. And you see this mix is the slime that make it all gooey.
Yeah.
Paint. And this is 2 bottles of paint. And these are some lollipop sticks. And we have a spoon.
Talk about the colours.
And we have, in the paints we have dark purple, pink, blue and green. And we have blue, dark pink and green and yellow. And this is some glitter we are going to use on Phoebe's. And here's the ones we are going to... Whoopsie. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 stickers. And it's for them. So we are taking that out and we have a spoon to mix it. And we have 2 of these and 2 glues.
I'll hold it and you start pouring it in. Keep going.
We're gonna do it there.
Let it into the... Keep going.
So we put
need
paint
loads and loads. So we need to squeeze some of out. And we're there. Okay, so the slime. This is the glue for it. Ew.
That's slimy, guys.
That's very slimy.
So yeah, you're making it.
Now, you have to be very careful with your water because this can go everywhere.
And that.
We don't want it to go everywhere, do we?
And that goes so fast out. Right at the top.
Yeah. Oh. Oh. Wait, listen, don't knock it. Very careful and pour it in. Okay.
Yay, don't go over the plate.
No. Wait, no. Don't have to mix it yet. What'd you say? Yeah?
Yeah.
That's my spoonful?
Yeah. Ocean, I'm going to put something in. Okay, but this is going to be my slime, yeah?
It's in. Now mix. Go, I'll hold this. Keep mixing. Keep mixing. Mix, 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 mix. Now, Phoebe, you have to put in...
It's so gooey, guys!
milliliters, okay? Now, one drop. There we go.
That's all there is. Can I pour it in?
That's 5 milliliters. Go on, pour it into the top. Right, one sec. Right, now, Ocean, you have to do it slowly, okay? You have to mix this slowly. It should hopefully get thicker. Oh, look, it's working. Look, it's getting thicker and thicker.
Yay!
Now, time for the sparkles. Yeah, a few more. Stop. Now, get mixing Ocean. Mix it. Fast, fast, fast. Should we add a few more in?
Yeah.
Whoa, guys, this is so cool.
They make it glitter.
Ew, no way, guys. Ew.
There's more here.
It's so
I
slimy.
have some
My
on. My turn.
Now, come here, Ocean. Look, we have all this glitter down at the bottom.
Yeah.
Get off all the glitter.
Look at my hands, guys.
Ew.
It's like like a spider web, huh? Look, I'm the king here, Archie. No, I need to wipe my hands. Little Archie.
Well, I failed my slime, guys. So now it's Phoebe and Ushin's go to see how good they can do. Go ahead, Phoebe.
Hi guys, today I'm doing my slime, but the other ones didn't work really good. So, but if it doesn't go really good again, we'll just leave it like that one over there. So yeah, let's go. Let's make it. Let's go. With shape and foam! Yay!
Okay guys, so that failed. So now we're going to do it the Family Toys way, using the same ingredients, but we're going to do it with our methods, our measurements, with Gillette shaving foam.
Yeah, guys.
So first, we have to add in the glue. So we're adding all the glue in.
Some fat.
Now, pour it in, guys.
Yeah.
Squeeze, 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 squeeze. Really hard, really hard. Yeah, Phoebe. Boy, can we get this in the bowl? That's it. Don't lick it. Don't eat the glue. Don't eat the glue, Phoebe.
Hey.
Get it into the bowl.
Push me.
Was that nice, Phoebe?
How did that taste?
Bit salty, was it?
Sour.
Sour.
I guess sour spicy.
Wait.
I have more in than Phoebe. Fake slime into there. Ethan, how about that? We've got all the fake slime into there. Yeah? I don't have to run my silver and blue.
Where's the blue come from?
I got the mixture. I put the green and blue in. Ah! I'm putting
Actually,
the
pass
colour.
me some of the pink.
Pink.
I'm gonna add a bit of pink into mine now.
Yeah.
No, I don't need more.
Ah!
Put it all in.
I can't pour it in. Somebody else do it. I'll do it. Come on. Ah! I'm getting sprayed.
Ew.
Hey! Guys, look at this.
Oh, Daddy!
Daddy!
All over my legs.
It's all
Thanks a
over
lot,
my
Daddy.
lovely gymnastic clothes.
So,
Stop, Daddy! They've got all of my gymnastic clothes.
now we're gonna put this on Daddy's head.
No. Not yet. Have to wash my hands now.
I don't think it can get mixed up anymore.
It might go in the
It is
camera. Oh.
Look at this catch. Come look at this catch.
So
In
bad.
between the legs. Baddest guy.
Greeny blue. I need the greeny blue, guys. Yeah. Hey, look at my hands. Go washing. Go, Phoebe. Go,
I can't.
low. Each one. Green,
Open this pink as well.
blue, pink. Boom, guys. I made it like that, didn't I, guys? Boom. Guys, I made it like
Keep
this.
it in the tub.
Whoa! I'm falling.
No, wait.
I'm
I'll put
falling.
some. Keep mixing it up.
Hi guys, we don't have to go to the bath, and these will have to have a shower. All of us will have to have a wash. And Daddy will. Oh, you have to because you had a run. Wait, yellow?
It's cleaning, guys. Look, it takes off all the foam off your hand.
Me baby wipe.
Wait a sec. Wishing.
Yeah. So funny.
Wrap it around your hand like this. Yeah. So you try to stretch it out really, really far.
Yeah.
Okay. Ready? Stretch.
Hey, big
Oh shit! You pressed your face! Oh, she what you like?
Us.
Can you paint my face?
You can take this off. Put glitter on my face.
No. No glitter. No glitter. Put some glitter into the slime.
Oh, save and put it on my face.
Oh my god, your eyes.
On my hand.
Are you shaving?
Yeah.
Yeah, look. We get this right and we'll shave your face. We'll shave your face.
Ethan!
Now come here, we shave your face. I'm gonna shave your beard. Now, come here. Look, turn around this side. I need to be able to see. Okay? Don't let it fall! You have to be quick with it, Ocean. Let go of it. You have to be quick.
I know. I know. Put some here. My nose! My nose! My nose! My nose!
So this is our toy review for Nickelodeon's Slime Station. I think the Family Toys way is better, to be honest.
Yeah!
Look at that.
Give it all to me! Ethan, give it all to me!
Ah! I think we know where this is going. Ocean. Nah. Phoebe.
No!
Oh, Phoebe, take it off. Oh! Don't put it in my ear. Stop. Stop pushing. It's in my nose. That's our toy review over, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye.
Yeah. You just said bye to Ethan.
God, I can't go back. Go back. Do the out. What did you do to yourself?
That I'm making purple slime just like this. This is going to be...
Go like that with your teeth, Shane.
He's a glitter monster.
Oh my God, Oshie, what did you do?